を失いました。今日だってお花を飾ったピンクの帽子が良かった。思考を読める獣たちがいい。私気になります。
What happened to banding together and saving the world? Isn't that what you promised? Now you want to forget it all and die right here? You're nothing but talk. Snow. He's too stubborn to die. And that's his best quality. He's arrogant and chummy from the get-go. He thinks he's everybody's pal. Never liked him much.
enjoyed the video, even though my lighting was whack during the entire thing and I was getting so frustrated. I think it's because it's just overcast, and every time I would like film a new clip, a cloud would go in front of the sun, and I was like, I'm gonna fight you, Mother Nature. But anyways, this is the look. I don't really like how the little bottom lashes that I drew on today turned out. They turn out different every time, and sometimes they just don't work out. But as you see from, I'll insert some photos of me doing this look other times. They turn out different each time, but yeah, it's just been like a simple little cute look that I've been doing lately and really loving. So I thought that I would film it because it's been a minute since I've done any like aesthetic makeup looks, and I know that's like your guys' favorite on my channel, so I was like, I need to get back on my grind of doing like my aesthetic makeup videos, because that's like one of the things on my channel. Am I making sense? I don't know. Anyways, this is the second video I filmed in a week, in the span of 3 days. I'm very proud of myself. But I will see you guys in the next video or next week because I'm on a grind. Bye.